Welcome to another tutorial for Age of Empires 2. I am Mr. Toth, aka Scorpion, on Voobly. I'm going to dive into some more triggers on our existing map. Alright, let's go. So, we last left off, we leveled up a tower with accumulated tribute using kills. We changed an object name to level 2, the tower. Gave it some HP and attack. We also accumulated a tribute for food stockpile. 20 food. Gave us cartography and ascend chat. So now we're going to work on the trigger bring object to area, objects in area, which is to me the same thing as bringing an object to area, but it's just a little different. Player 1, you source player, since we're player 1. We're going to use 1 because we have 1 unit that we're going to be going in with. If you wanted it to activate if with 2 units or 3 units, you would put that. So that means wherever this area is going to go, let's say like right here, there would have to be have as many number that you put here would have to be in that square in order for it to activate. So we're going to do 1. You always have to click go to area. After you've set the area, you click go to area. If you don't see your camera move, it means there is like something wrong with the trigger, like a bug. And the way to fix that is by going to menu, saving it, going to test mode. Then when you're in test mode, just exit back to the game, and you have to reset it. I don't know why sometimes it does this, but now it's fine. And as long as it's doing that, you're okay. And that goes for anything and anything in this map editor. If you set an area, create an object, whatever it may be, if it doesn't move your view change, it's not working. And it won't work in the test run. So, objects, we're going to bring this object, or any one of our objects, to area, and it's going to change view. So we want it to change to our view to here. So if we're, let's say, over here and one of our units goes there, it will switch our view like that, so that we know we've reached some sort of milestone in the triggers. We're going to do a display instruction. I'm going to get into an objective in a minute, which is very important. So objective is, I don't know, we reached Mr. Toth's house. And I put blue because that'll send. If we put green, it'll show a green text. That's how you do color change. And always have a space in between. That way it doesn't, it'll show the word green or something like this if we don't do it like that. Put it for 14 seconds. This timer is the duration of the chat that'll stay on the map when it pops up. And starting state is going to be on. Actually, starting state, yeah, we'll keep it on for now. I always name my triggers something to do with the trigger. Makes it more organized. Next one we're going to do is objective. So when you create a new trigger, there's something called display as objective. When you click yes, and also start it off with starting state off, or else if it's not, the objective will appear right away. So we're going to go off. We're going to have display as objective yes. Trigger description is where the display objective will appear in the objective list. So let me show you. Mr. Toth has requested you to take out the wolf up ahead. Do so to claim a reward. Okay, so that will appear. Also, I don't like to keep objectives on the list after they're done. So what I do is I destroy object. Now this is just the way I do it. If you have another way, that anyone has another way of doing it, they can. But this is a good way to do it that I do. I just do destroy object. I click any object on the map that is not going to be destroyed. And I know this isn't going to be destroyed because I'm not going to let it. So I just do that. Destroy object. Boom. It has nothing to do with the trigger, but I'll show you in a minute why. Also, I put objective, Mr. Toth. Okay. And then this is where how you activate a trigger. So you go to, when we enter this area with one of our units, it'll change view, display instruction, and then create a new effect. Go to activate trigger. Then you activate, it'll be a drop down list of all your triggers. You click objective Mr. Toth. So this will activate this when you get in that square box there. And then the objective will show. This will activate, and the objective will show on the top in the objective list. So let's see if that works. Save it. Test it. Oh, right. So we're player one. This is a player one building. So it's automatically going to activate. So what we'll do is just make sure that you're not touching the building. If this gray box was over the building, it'll register as player one's already there. So keep it away from the player that you're trying to source. Alright, so that should be fine now. Yep, see? Didn't activate. We're going to get that cartography by getting some food. Get that level 2 tower. Oh, these guys are going for a trip. I don't think I'm going to get that second kill. He's gone. So, I'm going to activate this. Reach Mr. Toth's house. Actually, you can change the name of this university to Mr. Toth. Mr. Toth has requested you to take out the wolf up ahead. Do so to claim a reward. Alright, so that works. And let's quickly go back and show you. We'll place a wolf down, which is Gaia. Actually, you can place a wolf down, I believe, in player ownership as well. But the wolf... We'll put the wolf right here. Okay, so also we're going to start a new trigger here. Trigger starting state off. And this is how you do if an object gets destroyed. So we have to kill this wolf, as the objective said. So we're going to have to set up the reward for that, which is... Oh, this is a prime example. The destroy object is not going to object. This is that bug I was telling you, and usually happens when you go into the units tab and then go back to triggers. So all you do is test. And then go back here, and it works. Destroy object, and our reward will be, so send chat because I want to tell player one what our reward is. Oh, thanks for killing the wolf. Here's some gold. And then put claimed 200 gold. Alright, so then he's going to send that message, going to be sent to you. Then you'll go to tribute, source player, player 1, gold, stockpile. So this is how you give gold to a player if you're if you don't want it to come from someone else. If you just want it to appear for the player, you put source player, player 1, then you do a negative minus 200. Now you're thinking this will take away gold from player 1, but it actually is giving gold to player 1. If you were going to give it the other way, you would put 200, you would put source player Gaia, and then you would put player 1. Then it gives an annoying sound from Gaia saying that, oh, Gaia gave you resources. This gives you a silent tribute, which is much more cleaner. Nice little trick that a lot of people don't know. And reward, and name the trigger reward. What else here? Oh yeah, we have to turn this reward on. So after we reached the house, we're going to activate reward so that when we kill the wolf, destroy it, the reward activates. And really don't like these archers running away from me. Wonder if there's something else I can put. You know what, I'll just quickly make my unit a bit faster, just so I can show you guys. When I get Carto, I'm going to give myself some speed, 50% speed, for testing purposes, just to show you guys. Also, this is what speed can do. So when I get that 20 food, I'm going to test. When I get that 20 food, it's going to give me 50% speed. Let's go get these archers. Bang. Level 2 tower. Oh, nice research cartography. Objective says, take out the wolf up ahead. Do so to claim your reward. Okay. Forgot to put in a take off the objective after I kill him. Thank you for killing the wolf. Here is your, so here's some gold. Claim 200 gold. So you see I got 200 gold. And I have 50% speed if you see how much faster I am since I got that 20 food. Alright, so one thing I forgot to do was after I got to this reward and I destroyed the wolf, you have to go to deactivate trigger. And when you deactivate the trigger, you deactivate the objective. And what this will do is it will remove this entire objective from the list, and it'll act as if it's complete. And then you can put another objective after that. And we'll stop there for this video. Hopefully that helped you guys a lot with destroy object, object in area, and objective list. And if you have any questions, let me know. And if you want to see anything specific, let me know, and I'll put it on the next video. Okay, thanks.